And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
We are tracking heavy cloud cover this morning. There's a lot of moisture present here at the surface and even further aloft as well. We're not tracking any rainfall across the region, but it's a different story further to the northwest where we do have a frontal boundary and severe storms have been popping up across much of central Oklahoma, now moving into parts of Missouri and Arkansas. Now that will remain outside our area as the frontal boundary will kind of stall up to the northwest, but we have a lot of southwesterly flow further aloft, which is allowed for that moisture flow for the upper level, which is definitely evident from Dallas all the way down to South Texas. And of course, we have the deepening upper level system back to the west, which is sparking up these strong severe thunderstorms across Oklahoma and now parts of northwest Arkansas. Temperatures area wide, mostly in the lower 70s right now. At 72 Ruston, also Monroe, 70 between El Dorado and Monticello. The dew points, you can almost step outside and just taste the air. That is just how soupy it is as we're in the upper 60s and a lot of lower 70s. A very moisture rich environment for that frontal boundary to really work with, which will spark up these thunderstorms that we're going to see later on towards the end of the week. Winds, they continue between 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the south, so some really good established southerly moisture flow into the region. Visibility hasn't been too bad due to the cloud cover and also the winds. There was some fog that developed in parts of LaSalle and Grant Parish. That has now started to dissipate at 8:42 this morning. So right now, sunshine's going to be a little limited. By this afternoon, it's still going to be limited, and temperatures, they will be on the climb to the upper 80s. It's going to be very warm and humid today, but if you got any outdoor plans, probably best to get it done today. Any outdoor work, do it this afternoon, because by tomorrow and going to Thursday, that's when that frontal boundary kind of starts to move in and we'll start to see our chance for shower thunderstorms begin to increase. Now, as far as severe weather is concerned, today mostly across Oklahoma and northeast Texas near the boundary layer. Then the system starts tracking further eastward by late Wednesday night going to possibly early Thursday morning. And then could see another spark up for Thursday afternoon as the frontal boundary starts to set in. Probably during the daytime heating hours, 2 or 3 o'clock, we could see another round of strong storms. Now, tomorrow night, it's probably going to be after midnight, probably running 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, where we might see a chance for some high winds, maybe some hail with a few storms that'll possibly track across southern Arkansas. And then for Thursday afternoon, there's going to be a chance again, we could see another round of potentially high winds, hail, tornadic threat. Kind of low, but can't be fully ruled out. So tracking all this out hour by hour going into this afternoon, mostly cloudy. There might be a light shower or drizzle back to the west. There's just so much moisture present, and the system will be held up just to our north. We'll be on the outer fringe of it. These winds continue out of the south. As we go into Wednesday evening, we'll start to see a few showers trying to pop up. The severe weather threat mostly along I-30 to the northwest, and then 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning is when we can start to track a few storms in southern Arkansas. And then that afternoon, we could see a spark up once again across northeast Louisiana, where that wind and hail threat will be. So tonight, low around 68 degrees. Clouds will continue. Tomorrow, we'll see temperatures mid-upper 80s with the scattered thunderstorms mostly overnight going to early parts of Thursday. And then again for that afternoon, storms will exit on Friday and then partial clearing over the weekend. And then we'll be all clear early on next Sunday and Monday. Temperatures will fall to lower 80s.